right there. This little device I'm pulling out that I'm moving around. This is the device that holds the small kind of glass crystal that holds the safety device in place. And again, once that the glass is broken from being overheated, it will shut the water heater down immediately. It's probably one of them, I'd say probably best safety device that I've seen because it works so quick. But it will, and it does. It throws a lot of plumbers off because we're used to a lot of the standard ones where the safety device is built in on the side or in the gas control valve itself. That little switch back there, you can see me pushing down on it. And what I'm doing is putting the safety device back in place, and I'm going to have to squeeze down on that rod back there and spin it around to where it will lock in place. And now the device will be set and ready for the water heater to operate. And it is kind of tricky, especially when you're working in the attic, and sometimes you don't have a lot of space. People have a lot of stuff around, so it's kind of, and I'm right-handed, and this is if I was left-handed, it'd be a little easy right now. And I am trying to position this flashlight in the best position so that I can give you the best view that I can give you of the spot where this safety device goes.